to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout,
Blippi!
Whoa! I'm really dizzy. Sometimes I just like to spin. That's gonna be the word that we're gonna learn about today. The word spin. There's so many things that spin on our planet. Even our planet Earth. Well, I think we should check out some things that spin. So the definition of spin is a rapid turning or whirling motion. Hey, let's spell it. S-P-I-N. Spin! Look at my dog Lino! He's chasing his tail. And look at what he's doing when he's chasing it. He's spinning! Yup, around and around he goes! Flying really quick high in the sky. You know how it flies? The top rotor spins around really quick, which creates lift, and so then from there, it can fly in the sky. Wow, isn't this beautiful? Look at those windmills. They're just spinning around because of the wind. And when the windmills spin, they create electricity. So we can light our houses and cook our food. I love windmills. Many vehicles like semi-trucks, tractors, sports cars, motorcycles, and things like that, they have wheels and tires, which spin, which makes them go forward. I think we should check out some motorcycles in slow motion. Spin is such an amazing word. It's so fun. Hey, I have something fun for you. I'm gonna say two things and you tell me what one spins. Okay? The first thing is a bowl of cereal. And the next thing is a fan. What one of those two things spin? Well, the bowl of cereal doesn't do anything, but you just eat it. Yum. So, the fan, yeah, it spins. Well, when the fan spins, it pushes air and it blows air on you, so then you get nice and cold. Okay, let's do another one. That's fun. Does the clock spin? Or does the teddy bear spin? Well, the teddy bear, you just cuddle with it and love it, so it doesn't spin. Yeah, the clock spins. The second hand spins around once, and then the minute hand goes 1 minute, and then as soon as the minute hand goes around one full time, then the hour hand goes 1 hour. So clocks spin. Okay, last one. Do Legos spin? Or do hula hoops spin? This one's pretty easy, because Legos you just build with. hula hoop spin. You spin them around your body and they go around in circles. Oh, I have a really good friend. Her name's Rachel and she loves to hula hoop. Let's watch her hula hoop. Whoa! Rachel is really good at hula hooping. Hey, I have another friend that loves to spin around. His name's Chris, and he does what's called the Cyr Wheel. I think we should watch him spin. That was a spinning full time. That's funny. Anyways, I really enjoyed learning with you. And if you loved learning with me, I think we should watch some more videos together. So, find that big red button and click it, or ask your parents to click it, so then you can subscribe and watch more of my videos. If you like music, I just released a new CD with Nicky Notes. It has educational, fun songs on it. Maybe your parents will get it for you. If not, you can check out some of the songs on my YouTube channel. See you again. Bye!
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout. Blippi!